Ate Dog na ma-finish yung pagkain niya ng Pitmara cat food. Oh, waiting ka, Mama Dog, no? Waiting ikaw. Ganda naman ng Mama Dog na yan. Patiently waiting kay Ate Dog kasi kumakain pa si Ate Dog ng Pitmara cat food. Oh, naman. Oh, sweet. Ikaw, bebe. Ano gusto mong kainin, bebe? Bebe Bagreng, my senior dog. What do you want, Langga? Oh, you're welcome, Mama Dog. Ang sweet naman. Ang sweet naman ng Mama Dog na yan. Patiently waiting for Ate Dog na matapos kumain sa Pitmara cat food. Wow! Agoy! You're welcome, Langga.